Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can know if someone blocked you on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Instagram application. Once you're done, you simply need to click on this search and you need to search that person name. So I'm going to search for that person name that blocked me recently. So here you can see I searched for that person, but I am unable to find his profile because he blocked me recently. So you need to follow the same step. You simply need to search for the username of that person that blocked you. And if you are able to find that person profile here, you can know that that person not blocked you. But if you are unable to find the profile, so it means that that person blocked you on Instagram. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.